What? What? Are you doing the hammer time dance? I have to see it. It's like da-da-da-da. You're like you're shoving in your vagina. Like the Britney Spears. Just like, what? You know it's always on your pelvis. I think I'm gonna be a tattoo here. I can tell. We're still recording. Wait, I want to see the thread. No, it's fine. Oh. Damn. It's really hot. Oh. You look like you're like, yeah. I should get my hat. I don't appreciate this language. My finger. Finger. Oh! I need to shave my pubes. Are you still recording? Sporting the Hello Kitty. No. You're black. My black? You're black is negative. Oh no, that's so creepy. No, how do you change it? Oh. Ooh. It's like one of those videos again that we keep on doing it. Whoa. Not color. It's like a little teapot. Oh, gotta flex again? Yeah. Gotta work on my abs. There's like nothing there. Right? Oh my god! My mom's gonna be home soon, dude. It'd be really funny if she walks in like that. What are you doing? Hey, Mom! Don't say that word in this house. I don't appreciate that. Oh, dude, this has been going for 3. Vagina. Do you appreciate my dancing? You're like the hammer. Wait, I could do a boner dance. Can you handle that? I can handle that. You remember that? What? There was that workout. Oh yeah. You open it and it's like. No, too bad. I don't appreciate. Oh my gosh, it's been like 3 minutes. I thought it was 12 minutes. I was like, what the fuck? That's bad language. Oh, we should do videos now. Like, no, when we get ungrounded. There you go. Oh, dude, there was this really funny video. Oh! I think I'm gonna stop it now. Bye! I'm gonna massage your butt. But say bye! Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. What they gonna do? He doesn't like penis. What? Crack? Are we high? No? What? Like what? Love! Bye! I love you, Mommy.